हांव एंथनी दिसलो फ्रॉम आंबेली. ह्या दिसांनी आयकलो जायते सावंड पोल्युशन खबर चलता वयर थिंगाच. कोण म्हणटाय राती ट्रेन चलनाय, ट्रेन चलत तेदो डिस्टर्ब जायना. कोण म्हणटा हॉटेलान म्युजीक चलत तेदो डिस्टर्ब जायना. आनी कोण म्हणटाय तेंगे फेस्त चलत तेदो तेंका डिस्टर्ब जायना. फकत क्रिसमस येता तेन्ना जाता. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन्स which are being raised, and they are right to raise such a question, because sound pollutionacho issue has been hotted up now just few days back, when the Christmas is just on the head, just 6 days ahead, where preparation for the Christmas is being done more than 1 month before this. I have no issue on the Sound Act, because being an informed citizen, I am aware of Sound Act. For all normal days, 50 days in a year, sounds must be down by 10 o'clock. And for the remaining 15-17 days, the sound can be down by 12 o'clock. But Goa being culturally different, the government and the authorities were lenient because of tourism industry, because of the cultural, the weddings that are taking place in Goa. Kita Goa amge kadre sokan sohane utaltali. Of course, that बंद झाला by 12-12:30 बंद होता म्हणतो. बरें हा. तियात्र कम्युनिटी हा आमगेली, तियात्र चलताय. आता जे आयकिला कोणाक हॉलात तियात्र चलता तो ते बंद केलो. हॉलांनी तूं तियात्र बंद जाता, तूं हॉटेलान तूं सगळे म्युजीक बंद जावपा जाय. कॉर्पोरेट हॉटेलांनी तूं म्हणटाय ते इंडोर आनी हॉलां येता कितें आउटडोर. So this brings the needle of suspicion that you are targeting a particular type of festivals or functions. Sound pollution zaide ha. But we has to come with the iron fist, I agree. But either it should be R or par. Sabka साथ सबका विकास. एकल्याच्या विकासात दुसऱ्याच्या disgrace कोणा काय? कितको ताय? म्हणजे तुमको ऑन ऑफ स्विच काय मग साऊंड पोल्युशनाचो. क्रिसमस येयले, साऊंड पोल्युशन एक्ट ऑन, इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑन. न्यू इयर जाले, साऊंड पोल्युशन स्विच ऑफ. मागीर आमको इस्टर येता तो ऑन. इज इट समथिंग लायक दॅट? बिकॉज दॅट इट लुक्स लायक. सी द टार्गेटेड ऑडियन्स. मोस्टली थिएटर, and now it is Christmas. If Sound Pollution Act is very crystal clear by the center to be implemented by the state, fine, do it for all. मागीर तुम कित म्हटले जाणटू कोणाकूय साउंड पोल्युशन आल्यार तुम कंप्लेन करूया म्हटले तुम पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर. कित्याक कंप्लेन करूं जाय रे? Why complain when the act is in place? Let the authorities take the responsibility. They should be held responsible, like the collector down, the police. आणि कोणा जाय तू थँकफुल सगळे ट्रान्सफर मारले जागा बंद कोणा जाल्यार तुम कॉमन सिटीजनाक कंप्लेन करूं पडाय. When the act is there, if you want to implement for all, implement for all. If not, why should common citizen complain? File complaint केल म्हणटरीच हेच ऑथॉरिटी कंप्लेनंटा नाव काडटा आनी कंप्लेन केल तांकां वचोन दिताय. And we know what has happened in the past like this. कंप्लेनंटा नाव पुलिसांनी एक्सपोज केले आणि त्या लोकांनी मागीर तेगे बारा घराचे फातर मारले खंय. So this is what you want to do, and you think the common people or simple people, they are going out of the way to complain to them? They get scared, man. I don't know. Don't tell people that they should complain. If it's a law, it has to be implemented. Not being implemented, the authorities in place in that area should be suspended outright. We understand, for example, tourism industry will get affected of us. But then, we cannot be on both the sides of the boat. So do it one way or other. Sometimes I understand because of the sound pollution, there are some sick patients. They suffer. My tack लागून तुम मुझे डेसिबल मीटर घे. अरे डेसिबल मीटर तुमच्या हॉस्पिटलांनी MRI मशीन चलनाय क्रोर्साची सिटी स्कॅन तुगे तो 2000 डेसिबल मीटर चलतलो. ते ऑथॉरिटीज तिंगेन पडूक रावतले न्हू तियात्रा हॉला कडेन काजरा हॉला कडेन आपल्यागे डेसिबल मीटर हाडले मॅन्युप्युलेट केलेलो आपल्या जाय ते सेलिब्रेट करून हाडले. This is the place you are allowing the loopholes to come in. Police जाव collector deputy हे पहिले हॉलाक उबो रावतले मरे, and that will give them the loophole to do corruption. ते कॉर्पोरेट हॉटेलां चलता तेंगे म्हयन्या कितें दिवपा जाता चाय पाणी, एक इंडिव्हिज्युअल मनीस काजार जाता, तेगे काजरां भेटनात हाय. Working class people come home only after 6 o'clock. So obviously the wedding start only after 8 o'clock many a times. Okay, let me hypothetically consider we all cooperate and आम्ही wedding early चालू केली. But this sacrifice, will you all give worth to it and continue this law of implementing for other festivities also? या गरबा बिरबा बुडायचे, नाच गातायचे, तेंकित कोता गरबा चले पणचे दोन्ही घोडेचा देखून गरबा चलताय, थिंग पुलीस काडपा नाही मागीर. सो दॅट इज वॉट यू ऑल विल डू. तुमक जाय तो स्विच बंद करतले आनी ऑथॉरिटीजा गेले धोडे बंद करून रावतले, आनी तुमक जाय तो स्विच ऑन करतले आनी दोन्ही दोन सायड वायड ओपन करून काजरा हॉला कडे, तियात्रा हॉला कडे आनी इगोर्जा गोंयन उबो रावतले. दिस इज द फॉल्ट लाइन. Don't bring about a divide like this. You all are making things obvious. Speak up now. The people who have been luring the minorities. Where is Zelton D'Costa, Yuri Alema, Cruz Silva, Digambar Kamath, Wendy Vegas, Regina Lorenzo, Viresh Borkar, Sankalp Amonkar, and the great Anton Barbos. The great Anton Barbos, please open your mouth now. Come together. Alex Sequer, where are you? Whatever decision, don't take the minorities to ransom just 6 days before Christmas. See that you all push this decision behind. Do whatever you all want to do after New Year. Implement it for one and for all in advance. So my only request is, please, the government, the authorities, the police, the panchas, sarpanchas, the MLAs, ministers, come together, draw one single line. Either the Sound Pollution Act will be implemented as per the Supreme Court or not. People will not have any ill feelings. And give strict warning. When you want to implement this, at least 2-3 months in advance. You can't threaten people or scare people just 10 days before the Christmas or Diwali or Eid. Not 10 days before. Do it in much advance. Give a timeline, give a deadline from where this law will be implemented in letter and spirit. Not as per your whims and fancies, as per the party and politics. This will give an open loophole. लोक MLA बरे भोंवतले मागीर, लोक पुलिसे बरे वयतले bypass करपाक. So that is how all the corruption, you are inventing another form of corruption in this. So please, it's my humble request. I don't want to debate basically on the law. I am very clear about the law. My concern is whatever you all want to implement. Now that there is so much of chaos in Goa with respect to this Sound Pollution Act to be implemented, so see that it will be done throughout. Otherwise, mark my word, this will open up the discord among the Goan communities. And for this, all my Hindu brothers, all my Muslim brothers, all the Christians together should come in one voice. And it is my humble request, please share this video so it reaches out to all the ministers, MLAs and all the sarpanchas and the government. Jati tu please share kore. Ani jata jalyar soglani please subscribe to my channel. This, my YouTube channel is not for monetary gains. I have not registered this for monetary purpose. So please subscribe to my channel so I can reach out with current events. देव बरे करो.